Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. This is Shriyanka presenting the top headlines of the day. Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya advisor and Sai International School chairman Bijay Sahu lost his battle against COVID-19 while undergoing treatment at a private hospital in Hyderabad. He was 58. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik condoled the death of Sahu, who is known as an eminent educationist of the state. The southwest monsoon made an onset over Kerala Thursday after a delay of 2 days, the India Meteorological Department said. The monsoon onset over Kerala marks the commencement of 4-month rainfall season in the country. Odisha reported the highest ever 42 fresh fatalities, taking the tally in the state to 2,873 and 8,839 new COVID-19 infections in the last 24 hours, taking the tally in the state to 7,90,970. India Thursday again witnessed a slight increase in COVID numbers with 1,34,154 new infections reported in 24 hours and 2,887 more people succumbed to the pandemic, the Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry said. The validity of the teachers' eligibility test qualifying certificates has been extended from 7 years to a lifetime, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank announced on Thursday. A Dominica magistrate has denied bail to absconding diamond tycoon Mehul Choksi, who was arrested May 23 for alleged illegal entry to the Caribbean island country, the local media reported. The Enforcement Directorate has arrested RJD MP Amrendra Dhari Singh in connection with a money laundering case linked to an alleged fertilizer scam and payment of kickbacks to the tune of Rs 685 crore, officials said. The Supreme Court quashed an FIR lodged against journalist Vinod Dua for sedition and other offences by a local BJP leader in Himachal Pradesh over his YouTube show. On the occasion of World Bicycle Day, Sashwat Ranjan Sahu, a young artist in Puri town, is making the day special by creating a miniature bicycle using matchsticks. He is elated not only for his creation but also being able to complete it on World Bicycle Day itself. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.